Welcome to another video on #ALLYFRIEND. Today you're going to need a tea bag, some scissors, a bowl to put in the tea, and a lighter at the end. First, you're going to take a tea bag and you're going to cut off the top very straight. Then you're going to take the tea bag and you're going to unfold it and put all the tea into the bowl. Next, you're going to make it into a tube. Next, you're going to take one end and you're going to fold it in. And then it should stand up like this. Next, light it up and watch it fly.